Good morning all. Last day we have done different problems of separable differential equations. An equation of the form dy by dx is equal to m of x by n of y, which can be rewritten as n of y dy is equal to m of x dx, and after the integration we will get the solution. The integration of n of y dy is equal to integral of m of x dx plus c is the solution. And we did many problems. Today also we have one more problem, and solve the differential equations with that can be reducible to separable differential equations. And there are three types of the differential equation of that type you have to study. First one is homogeneous differential equation. Second one is ax plus by divided by k into x plus by plus c in that form, and one more type is there. So the first problem is find the solution of y dash equal to 2y square plus xy square given the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 1. Determine where the solution attains its minimum value. So here we have to observe that y equal to 0 is a solution of the given differential equation. Since y equal to 0, we can, when we substitute, the value is satisfied by the equation. But it does not satisfy the given initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1. So by assuming y not equal to 0, we can write the given differential equation in that separable form as below. So we can write the given differential equation. Instead of y dash, we could write dy by dx is equal to 2y square plus xy square. That is dy by dx is equal to, we can change to separable form. So for that we could take the common term y square from both the terms. So this becomes 2 plus x. Now we can cross multiply the terms. That is dy by y square is equal to 2 plus x into dx. Now integrate both sides. We get, we could write integral of dy by y square, which is equal to integral of 2 plus x dx. Integral of 1 by y square is integral of y raised to minus 2 dy, which is equal to y raised to minus 1 by minus 1. Or we could write minus 1 by y, which is equal to integral of 2 is 2x plus integral of x is x square by 2 plus c. Now given that y of 0 is equal to 1. That is when x equal to 0, y equal to 1, or minus 1 by 1 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 0 square plus 2 plus c, which implies c is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 by y is equal to 2x plus x square by 2 minus 1, or y is equal to, we could take the cross multiply, that is the solution is minus 1 by 2x plus x square by 2 minus 1. To get the explicit form in y, we could take the cross multiplication, so that y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus x square by 2 minus 1. So here 2 is the LCM of the denominator, so this becomes minus 1 by 4x plus x square by 2 x square minus 2 all divided by 2, which we could take the 2 to tops, that is y is equal to 2 minus 2 by x square plus 4x minus 2. Now we have to find the minimum of this value. the interval at which the now we have to find the interval at which we have to find the interval at which the solution is minimum. The solution is minimum. Y is minimum when y dash is equal to 0. Y is minimum when, to find the minimum value we have to, when y dash is equal to 0, which implies this is in the form, now we have to find the y dash, so this is becomes minus 2 by x square plus 4 minus in the form of 1 by x form, minus 1 by x square into 4x minus 2 whole square into derivative of this one is 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, which implies 2 into 2x plus 4 is equal to, that is 2 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2x equal to minus 4, or x is equal to minus 4 by 2, x equal to minus 2. Also for x less than minus 2, y dash is equal to 2 into 2x plus 4 which is less than 0 by x square plus 4x minus 2 all square which is less than 0, and for x greater than minus 2, y dash is equal to 2 into 2x plus 4 by x square plus 4x minus 2 all square which is greater than 0. Hence the above solution attains minimum value when x equal to minus 2. Now equations reducible to separable form. Certain first order differential equations that are not separable, but we can make that differential equation to separable by simple change of variables. So until first case, type 1 homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation y dash is equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous differential equation if f of xy can be expressed as a function of the ratio y by x only. That is f of xy is equal to function of y by x. നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ ഇക്വേഷനെ y by x എന്നുള്ള ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി എഴുതാമെങ്കിൽ അതിന് പറയുന്നതാണ് homogeneous differential equation. Then this differential equation can be transformed into a separable differential equation by substituting v is equal to y by x. Then dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx. So we have one problem to be solved. First problem is solve 2xy dy by dx minus y square plus h square equal to 0. The given differential equation can be rewritten as differential equation can be written as dy by dx is equal to, we can change the other two terms to right. So this becomes y square minus x square all divided by 2xy. So we can divide numerator and denominator of RHS by x square. Then becomes dy by dx is equal to y square by x square minus x square by x square is 1 minus 2xy by x square. So 1x cancels, so this becomes y by x all square minus 1 by 2 into y by x. That is, we could write So this is some function of y by x. We could write this as a function of y by x. Therefore, the given differential equation is homogeneous. Now we have to substitute, put v equal to y by x, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. That is v plus x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 by 2v. So we could write x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 by 2v minus v, which is equal to, we can take the LCM. So 2v, v square minus 1 minus 2v into v, 2v square, which is equal to minus 1 minus v square by 2v that is x dv by dx is equal to minus 1 minus v square by 2v. Now we can cross multiply the terms, that is 2v dv by minus 1 minus v square is equal to dx by x. This can be written as 2v dv by, can take this minus term to this side, minus dx by x. Now integrate, this is in variable separable form, integrate both sides. We get integral of 2v dv is equal to 1 by 1 plus v square is equal to integral of minus of dx by x. So in derivative of v square is equal to 2v, and derivative, so this is ln of 1 plus v square is equal to minus ln of mod x plus c, or ln of 1 plus v square plus ln mod x is equal to c. This we could write ln into mod x into mod 1 plus v square is equal to c, or x into 1 plus v square is equal to e raised to c, which is equal to some k is the solution. Now we have to resubstitute for v equal to y by x. So x into 1 plus y square by x square is equal to k, since v is equal to y by x. So the given we can take the LCM as x square, so this becomes x into x square plus y square is equal to k. This x cancels, so x square plus y square is equal to kx is the solution. Next problem is, show that the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square by x square is homogeneous and hence solve them. So I left this as an exercise to you. For that, first you have to divide the right hand side by x square, so the terms becomes 1 plus y by x plus y by x whole square by 1. That's, so we could write dy by dx is a function of homogeneous, then solve by substituting y is equal to v is equal to y by x and solve the differential equation, and for that dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx. So substitute that and change into separable form and solve the differential equation.